Understanding how your voice AI is performing is key, but constantly checking dashboards can slow you down. In this video, I'll show you how to use the voice AI performance and reports inside of High Level to automatically receive insights about your AI agent's activity and performance. For example, instead of manually reviewing call logs, you can get scheduled email summaries with key metrics like call volume, sentiment, and outcomes. Let's take a look at how it works. Inside your sub account, make your way over to AI agents on the left-hand side, then come up to voice AI. You can either create a brand new agent by clicking on this button and then going through the prompt-based builder. If you already have an agent created, then just come back over here, make your way over to agent list, and choose the agent that you want to get the performance report from. Once you click on it, you'll see in the middle panel, if you scroll all the way down, there will be a reporting tab. This is where you'll set up the performance summary email reports. So just click on the drop-down menu. If you want to turn it on, just click on the toggle button. You'll now see that you can set the frequency. It could either be weekly, every 2 weeks, or monthly. So select your frequency rate, and then just below that, we can set the recipients. We can select all admins to receive the performance reports, or users, specific users, or a custom email. Let's say I only want one specific user to receive this report. Just select it, and then on the drop-down menu, select the person that you want to receive it. From there, click on Save. Your performance report settings will now be saved. If you'd like to see a preview of that report, click on Show Preview. This is an email preview of what the report will look like. You'll be able to see key metrics such as the total calls, the time saved, the success rate, and the average duration of a call. Below that, you can see the sentiment, as well as the actions taken. Then below that, it will tell you how many calls were handled after hours. Then if there are any flag calls that need your attention, they will be mentioned at the bottom of the report, with links that will take you straight to the call details. Now, there are some call to action buttons right at the bottom, such as view all logs, update the knowledge base, or go to the agent settings. If you would ever like to remove the performance report settings, then click on the X button up here, and then again, under reporting, you'll see under the save button, we have remove settings. Once you click on that, it will switch off the performance summary email. Once you're happy with your settings, click on Save in the top right corner. And that's how you can use the voice AI performance reports inside of High Level to monitor your AI agents and stay informed with automated insights. If you want to learn more about this feature and others like it, head over to the Content Army YouTube playlist, the Help Docs, or the Did You Know blog. Links on the description below. That's it for this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.